Good afternoon, and thanks for being here. So my perspective is that we are entering a golden era for visual AI or computer vision, machine perception, whatever you want to call it. As I mentioned this morning, things are advancing now at an incredible rate, but I still think we're really in the early days of what's going to be possible within the next few years. What I want to talk about today is what makes this a special time, a unique era, what's changing, and how is that impacting applications and opportunities for companies at various levels of the ecosystem, especially technology suppliers and systems and solutions companies, and where are the key challenges that we still need to tackle.